Hey guys, Jenny here from WTI. Today what I wanted to share with you is this amazing product by Genestra. So many of us need to take vitamin D every day. We're told to take 1,000 units as adults, and this brand, Genestra, has a great one. So this is their D3 and K2 together. This is their combination. So to actually, to take in vitamin D well, you need to have that K2. So I like that this is a combination and I don't have to buy two separate vitamins. So this comes in a dropper form. I'm going to show you. It's got a twist off top and it's lemon flavor, which sounds gross, but honestly, it's amazing. I'm going to show you guys on my finger what it looks like. So that is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. The Genestra brand stuff is incredible. I've already taken my vitamins for the day, so I'm not going to overdo it with the vitamin D. But honestly, for anyone who is looking for some vitamin D, I definitely recommend this one. It's incredible. The Genestra brand is a great brand because their vitamins are very, I guess you could say, high potent. I don't know, but they're great quality. Look, my vitamin's still on my finger, so you know it's good. Definitely recommend this, but that's just my point of view.